already we discussed about the food, why we have to take the food in our daily diet, and it must be having balanced diet. That is the main important. Why we have to take the food? To get the energy, to stay alive, to stay healthy. So for that purpose we are taking the food. But all the food are same kind of food or one kind of food only enough to eat to get the balanced diet? No way. So for that reason only we have to take balanced diet food. It only provides sufficient amount of energy and it only provides a good health. Otherwise, if we are not taking balanced diet in our daily life, we are not getting any nutritious materials. If there is no nutritious materials in our food, we are not getting any energy. Without energy, we cannot able to do any work. So, for that purpose only, we should take the food, as well as by the taking of the food, we have to get the energy. And that energy, that nutritious materials only get into the body with the help of, by the taking of balanced diet only. Okay children, today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is different methods of preparing food. Different methods to prepare food. Already we discussed about food and its components. Is it? Already we discussed about food and its components and ingredients and sources we discussed. Okay? We know about the food, what we are eating, that is called food, and it is containing components, nothing but nutritious materials, and while preparing any kind of food, we should add the ingredients, and we are getting the food from so many sources. The best examples are plants, animals, obvious foods, and non-obvious foods. Okay children, everyday lesson must be read. If you read the everyday lesson, you will get more information and you can thorough about that lesson. If you have not read a daily lesson, you will not get any information from the lesson and nothing in your brain. So for that reason, please read what we are completing in one class. Okay. So please follow the teacher. Food, and it is having components, nothing but nutritious materials, and it is having the somewhat ingredients to prepare the food, as well as we are getting the food from so many sources like plants, animals, obvious foods and non-obvious foods we are getting from the environment. So, okay, food is, components, ingredients are there, but you don't know how to prepare the food. You don't know how to prepare the food. Suppose here I have vessel. In this vessel, rice is there. Is it enough to eat? Is it correct to eat? No. To eat the rice, we must be cooked. We must be cooked. So that the cooking process is nothing but preparation. To prepare that raw rice to cooking rice, we need to follow one kind of preparation. We should to follow preparation method. So how we are prepare the rice? First we have to take the vessel. After we should pour the rice into that. After we should allow into the stove or any kind of firing materials. So afterwards we will get the cooked rice. So this is the process to get the cooked rice. This is one of the process. Like this way here, to prepare any kind of curries, to prepare any kind of food items, we must be follow the preparation method. We must be follow the preparation method. In our previous class, we studied about so many kinds of ingredients are there. We are getting the ingredients like which kind of ingredients we discussed, like asafoetida and mustard and turmeric powder and next that jeera and some kind of dal like a black gram. These are the ingredients what we are using to prepare any curry. Is it? Without ingredients we cannot prepare anything. We are not getting any tasty food. So for that purpose only we should add the ingredients. Okay, ingredients are there and maybe cooking materials are also there. So materials are there, ingredients are there, but we don't know the preparation method. Without knowing of preparation method, we cannot get any tasty food. We cannot get any tasty food. So for that purpose only we should follow the preparation method. Here Ramu, one boy is there. Before going to preparation of before knowing the preparation method, we should refer one thing. Once open your textbook, page number 6. One table was given here how to prepare food and how many preparation methods are there. Now we are going through the lesson. Before going through that, first we should finish this table, page number 6. Here method of preparing food items. Here first of all you should know the preparation methods. How many are there? Boiling is there. By the boiling we are getting some kind, we can prepare some kind of food items, and by the frying and the fermentation method and next steaming method. These are the preparation methods: boiling, frying, fermentation, steaming. With the helping of these processes, we are preparing tasty food items. What is the first example for boiling? Which we are boiling to get the tasty food? Which kind of food materials we are boiling? Can anybody say? By the boiling process, we can get the rice and some kind of curries. Is it? Like this way here. Frying is also, we fry fish, chicken, mutton and some kind of vegetables also we are frying. And next, fermentation. By the fermentation process we are getting idli. Directly we have not prepared the idli, no. This here, fermentation method means nothing but changing of compound molecules to complex molecules. Changing of compound molecules to complex molecules, or else complex molecules to compound molecules. Means that the compound molecules can be changed into simple molecules here. This process will be known as a fermentation method. So before making idli and before day only we are preparing, we are adding some black grams and rice, and we both rice we are not using, that black grams, and what we are taking, we will mix it and after we will add the idli dough, and next both should be ferment and take into the vessel. After we will keep it aside for a whole night. After completion of night, in the morning time, in the early morning time, what we will do, we will use the dough and we will keep into the pans which are having in the idli vessel. Afterwards, we will steam on the stove. Afterwards, we will get the tasty idli. Is it? This is the process to get to idli. So that only nothing but fermentation. Not only idli, we will get the dosa also like that only, na? While preparing dosa, what we will take? Rice and black gram. Both are mixed and we will soak it. Afterwards, we will mix it after, and a whole night we will keep it aside. During morning time, what we will do? We will do tasty dosas. Yes, mummy, dosa is very nice today. I like very much. You will say like that. Is it or not? This is the fermentation method. Means what's happening in between that both doughs means it will become very smooth. To getting the smooth food items, we will go to fermentation method. To get smooth food items, we will go to fermentation method. Here, what will happen in the fermentation method? Compound molecules are changed to simple molecules. And next, steaming. In the steaming, what we will prepare? We will prepare idli. Steaming ఆవిరితో ఉడికించుకునేది. అండ్ సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్, idli and other food items also we will steam. You know very well, during steaming we will prepare idli as well as yes, some kind of food items we will steam it. So boiling, frying, fermentation, steaming, these are the preparation processes. With the help of these processes we will get the tasty food. We will get the tasty food. Here in the textbook, page number 6, table 5, he will give some examples. Boiling, which food items we will boil? Rice we will boil, some curries we will boil, and so many kind of food items we will boil. In our study materials also having which food materials we are preparing. Boiling potatoes, sweet potatoes, and eggs also we will boil. And next steaming idlis we will steam. And next fermentation, idli, dosa, already I told. And next roasting, chicken we will roast, fish we will roast, and next peanuts we will roast. Then after deep frying, what we will do? Deep fry fish and pakodi and samosas, pool, etc. Shallow frying, potatoes, meat, chicken, fish. And chopping and mixing, here chopping and mixing, what we will do? Chop and mix fruits, mixed salads, chopped and mixed, no. So afterwards we will prepare a tasty mixed fruit juice. Next cutting and mixing, chicken we will cut, afterwards we will mix onion, and fish also we will cut and we will prepare. So how many processes are there? So many processes are there to get the tasty food. Boiling, steaming, fermentation, roasting, deep frying, shallow frying, chopping and mixing, and cutting and mixing. By following these preparation processes, we will get the tasty food. Without following the process of preparations, we cannot get the tasty food. If we will eat directly, means we will get so many diseases, and we will get somewhat undigested digestion problems also we will get. So for that reason only, when you want to eat anything, you must go through the preparation process. After following the preparation processes, you will get the more and more tasty food. It will be healthy, and it is very suitable to digest in our stomach. It is not happening in the stomach. So for that reason only, you should follow this kind of preparation processes. And next, here one your classmate, his name is Ramu. What are the preparation? Now we are going to knowing about preparation process. He follows what he is following: cutting and mixing process. He follows preparation processes, cutting and mixing process he follows. Here one boy is there, Ramu. He liked tomato curry. Yes, he thought, I like tomato curry, how can I get it? If he simply thinking, means he will get a no, he will not get his tasty tomato curry. He must be follow, and he must be use ingredients, as well as he must be follow the preparation process. Which process he follow? Cutting and mixing process to get the tasty tomato curry. What he will do? First he will do 2 tomatoes. After he do 2 green chilies and red chilies. 2 green chilies and red chilies he took. And next, what he do? Turmeric powder. And next, he took mustard and a black gram dal. What are these? These are the ingredients. These are the ingredients. Before cooking, before going to prepare any kind of food, we need ingredients. We need ingredients. Yesterday we discussed about the ingredients, no? Cloves, ilachi, and next mustard, asafoetida. So many kind of ingredients we took. After taking the ingredients, only we can prepare any food item. We can prepare any kind of food item. So, Ramu took 2 tomatoes, 2 green chilies with red chilies and a turmeric powder and a mustard and a black gram dal he took. After what he will do? Now prepare. First he took the vessel. It placed on stove or shallow flame. First he took the vessel. After he placed on a shallow flame. After into the vessel he took 2 spoons of oil. He took 2 spoons of oil. After boiling, after heating of oil, he add 2 green chilies and red chilies and mustard and this black gram dal he added. First what he took a vessel to prepare tomato, tasty tomato curry. He took vessel, he placed on shallow flame or stove. Afterwards, he add 2 spoons of oil into the vessel. After he allowed to boil the oil. After boiling or after heating of oil, he add 2 green chilies and 2 red chilies, and along with those chilies, he add mustard and black gram dal. After frying of these ingredients, he add the tomato pieces. In ETV, Abhiruchi, Aha Abhiruchi, you watch every day. In ETV Live also, they are preparing so many kind of food items with by the following of preparation methods. You know very well about Aha Abhiruchi. You know very well that names, what programs are watched in ETV. You know very well, no? So, like this way here, Ramu also following one of the process to get the tomato curry. First, what he took? He took a vessel. After he provided a shallow fry or he placed on the stove. Afterwards, he add 2 spoons of oil into the vessel. After boiling or heating of the vessel, he add 2 green chilies or red chilies. After he will add the mustard and black gram dal also. Afterwards, after boiling of these all kind of ingredients, he add pieces of tomato pieces. After boiling of these all kind of materials what he added in the vessel, after he will add the turmeric powder also. After he keep a lid on the vessel, he added to few minutes. He added to few minutes, he left a vessel on the flame for few minutes. After few minutes he will get the tasty tomato curry. Where he learned this to make this tomato curry? From his father. From his father, he learned to make tomato curry. Are you got my points? Okay. What is the process he follow? Cutting and mixing. Here, what he cutted? Tomato pieces he cutted. After what he added? This kind of ingredients he added. How he added? How he followed the preparation process? First he took the vessel. After he added the 2 spoons of oil. After he added the 2 green chilies, red chilies and mustard and black gram dal. After he added the tomato pieces. And after boiling of these all kind of materials, he add a little bit amount of 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. After he kept the lid of the vessel, he kept a vessel for a few minutes. After few minutes, he got the tasty tomato curry. This is the following method to prepare tomato curry what your friend follow. So like this way, so many members, so many students like to eat bendi fry, tomato fry, sorry, potato fry, and so many fries they like. So please try any kind of food material in your home. Why? Because you are staying in the home, no? When you are having a leisure time, when you are free time, please try to prepare any kind of food material, and try to know how to prepare the food, and try to know what ingredients add to make any curry. It will use in your future also. Okay. And then next, our another topic is preservatives of food. Suppose here Ramu prepared tomato curry. All the curry he ate at a time? No. Somewhat curry will be leave. Is it or not? Suppose if I prepare a fish fry, at the same time when I prepared that fish fry, I ate all the fishes at a time? No, I can't able to eat all the pieces of fish fry. Is it or not? I can't able to eat, no, at once. So for that reason, what I will do? I'll keep that remaining pieces in the fridge. Is it or not? I'll keep that remaining pieces in the refrigerator, means fridge. You know very well. Why? Because in your nowadays all the members are using refrigerators and hot air ovens and steaming ovens. They are using to preserve the food materials what are left after eating a meal. So now we are going to preservative of food. First we learn about ingredients. After we learn about preparing. After preparing of any material, we should be preserve that kind of food. Suppose you prepare tomato curry, you ate some water from that curry. After you left some remaining curry, is it you will leave or you will throw? No, you will not throw. You will preserve it. How you will preserve? If a refrigerator is not available, means what you will do? You will keep a lid and you will get at a safe place. Is it or not? So like this way here, somewhat preservative methods are also there. What are the first of all, you have to know what do you mean by preservation. First of all, you have to know the meaning of preservation. What do you mean by preservation? Can anybody say? What do you mean by preservation? What do you mean by preservation? Preservation means keeping of food at safe. Or following of safety methods to preserve, to care the food. Preservation is nothing but keep a food for a long time by adding salt, turmeric powder, and that mustard powder, and asafoetida powder. Keep your food for a long time by adding salt, turmeric powder, and mustard powder, and asafoetida powder. So we should keep a food for a long time. Suppose in your home, your mummy preparing so many pickles, you know very well. Is it? How the pickles are keeping for a long time? Why? Because they follow one preservative method. What is that? Pickling. Pickling is a also one of the preservative method. What they are doing while making the pickle? They will add salt, turmeric powder and mustard powder and asafoetida powder. Why? Because those ingredients are keeping our food for a long time. Safely they are keeping. So for that reason only picklings mainly picklings are goes to the preservative method. Pickling is also one of the preservative method. Pickling is also one of the preservative methods. And you know very well pickling and smoking. Smoking means cigarette and what some people are doing, no smoking, that kind of smoking not. With the help of the sticks they will apply the smoke, means poga, you know very well. When we are firing with the help of the sticks, when the fire will be off, somewhat smoke is coming from the sticks, no? That smoke is helps to keep our fishes to dry up. That is the smoking and drying. See here, what do you mean by preservation? Keep your food for a long time. Keeping food for a long time by adding salt, turmeric powder, mustard powder and asafoetida powder. See here, and under this preservative process, which kind of materials we can able to keep a safe means pickling and smoking and drying. Pickles means you know very well, mango pickle and tomato pickle and lemon pickle. You know very well about that pickling process. You know that fish, mutton also keeping a pickling process. With the help of this pickling process, they will preserve the fish and mutton also. Not only pickles. And next, smoking. That fishes, with the help of the smoking preservative method, they will preserve the fishes also. And dry fishes also you know very well about. While preparing any dry fishes curry, that smell will be coming. You know very well about that. So under the drying preservative process, which kind of materials we can preserve means fish and some kind of muttons also we are drying under the sunlight. So it is also one of the preservative method to keep our food fresh. After few days, we will get the fresh food by the preservative process, pickling, smoking and drying. And suppose normally if you are not follow these preservative methods, in your home you know very well about that rice. Suppose if we prepare rice today's night, it will be good for to eat morning time. No, it will be spoiled. Why? Because microorganisms are developed in that cooked rice what we are cooking at night. Is it? So for that reason only, to get some fresh food, we are follow the preservation methods. The preservation methods are pickling and smoking and drying. In the textbook, somewhat pickles are given, preservative methods are given. Adding salt, chili powder and oil. Pickles we will use to prepare pickling. Okay, see children, now we are discussing about preservative food, preservatives and examples. Adding salt, chili powder and pickles. Which kind of pickles we can able to preserve with the help of this by the adding of the salt and chili powder, which we can able to preserve, like mango, tomato, lemon pickles. Fish and mutton pickles also we can able to keep a safe side. And next, adding only salt. What we will add to the fishes? We will add the salt and we will keep. And drying, fishes also we dry. And next, sugar syrup. Which food item we can able to keep for a long time by the adding of sugar syrup? Means panchadara pakam. Have you got my point? Have you got my point? By the adding of sugar syrup, we can keep, by the adding of sugar syrup, we can keep the food materials for a long time. The best examples are sweets. On the sweets, some sweets we can able to see somewhat a crispy material it is having. When they are dipped in the sugar syrup, that sweet will be having for a long time freshness. So for that reason, those who are preparing the sweet, they use the sugar syrup to keep a food for a long time. In the sweet shops, we are not getting any fresh sweets. Before time only they prepared, they dipped in the sugar syrup. Afterwards, that sugar syrup is a help to keep that food for a long time freshness. So for that reason only, they are adding the sugar syrup. By the adding of sugar syrup only, we can keep some food items or safe side. Okay, have you got my point? And this is our preservative methods of food. First, you have to got an idea about the preservative methods. That is what pickling, smoking, and drying. By the adding of sugar syrup, and you know that jam. We are preparing kisan jam, no? Which food item we can able to keep for a long time? In the form of jam, we can get the fruits. Fruits only manufactured into jam. In this jam, what they will add? Honey, somewhat sugar syrup also they will use. So for that reason only, our fruits we are getting in the form of jam. How this jam having freshness for a long time means by the adding of honey and the sugar syrup. These are the preservative methods to get the food items for a long time. This is about our first lesson, and you have to read textbook thoroughly. Page numbers are 6, 7, 8. This is the homework for you. 6, 7, 8 from the study material. Yesterday you read that up to 5 question answers. No, the remaining question answers are 6, 7, 8 question answers you should be read. On Saturday I will conduct the assignment. So be careful and be prepared for this homework and this material question answers 6, 7, 8. Already before question answers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you read. So be careful about this assignment what I was given in this class. Okay, thank you.